Hey guys, what's going on? It's Alman153 here. Today I'm going to show you how to run multiple operating systems on the Mac using Parallels virtual software. So first thing you're going to want to do is go to Parallels and get a copy of the Parallels desktop. It's about $80. Um, Once you buy it, you can download it easily from their website. So yeah, let's get started. So here you can see is the control panel or the control center for Parallels. Before you can install a copy of Windows, first thing you're going to want to do is you've got to make sure that when you come to hardware, you got to make sure your memory is at 2 gigs, because if not, Windows, when it's trying to install, is going to throw an error saying that not a sufficient amount of memory or something to that nature. So yeah, you got to make sure it's at 2 gigs, because that's the minimum requirement for Windows 10 is 2 gigs. I believe Windows 8 is 1 gig. I'm not sure. So yeah, and obviously in order to make any changes, you'd have to click the lock and then put in your password, so that way you can go and make the necessary changes. So that's the first thing you can do before you can get playing with your second operating system. So I'm going to come over here. I'm going to hit the power button. As you can see, Windows starts up just like it would on a physical PC. So there's my desktop, as you can see. Come here. You have the start menu. Task view. You can see the different tasks. You can browse the internet with it. There's a Microsoft Store. Here's your File Explorer area. So yeah, and then obviously you have your desktop where you can have your stuff on your desktop. The thing I kind of like about it is you can go and run an app on Windows, and then you can come over and go to Launchpad on Mac, and you can go and easily pull up you can go and pull up another program on Mac. So it's very, very cool. So yeah, that's that. And also, to make sure, you have to have a copy of Windows, whether it's the physical retail disk or an ISO image. You have to have a full copy of Windows. Windows does not come with Parallels, so I just want to make that clear. So I think that's about it. I know I already have Parallels and everything already set up in this video, but if you guys have any questions, comments, or concerns, leave them down in the comments box, and I will answer any questions that you might have going through the setup process, installation process. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Guys, subscribe, do your thing, because it's cool. But yeah, so like I said, if you have any questions, put them in the comments box below. And if this video has great feedback, I might upload another video showing you how to do VirtualBox, and on that one, I will actually go through the installation process and video the installation process, so you can see exactly what it's like. So yeah, that's that. Let me go ahead and close this. Also, another thing I wanted to bring up that I like about Parallels is you can come here, hit the plus button, and then they already have certain operating systems, just kind of generic ones that you can choose from. They have the Chrome OS. You can download Ubuntu. As you can see, I already had the Android operating system, or you can do the backup um, Apple operating system. So um, pretty cool stuff. So yeah, just so you know, when you go to shut down the virtual machine, you want to shut it down just like a regular machine. So I'm going to come here to the start. I'm going to hit shut down, and it's going to actually shut down as if it were a physical machine. So you want to do that. Make sure you do that every time, for the same reasons you would for a physical machine. You don't want to lose stuff that hasn't been saved, or any files that get corrupted or anything of that nature. And then once you're here, you can just hit that X button, close out, and close that out. And now you can see everything is shut down. I can come over here to quit. And so I've officially quit Parallels, and now I'm just strictly on the Mac OS X. So yeah, it's official. I'm going to end this video now. So like I said earlier, if you guys like what you heard or saw, post any comments. If you have any questions, post comments. Make sure you subscribe to Owlman153. And if things go very well, I will post another video, possibly using Oracle's VM VirtualBox. So yeah, keep it real.